Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to download, set up, and use RY Tunnel VPN, a fast and secure VPN app that supports multiple protocols. Step 1. Open the Play Store on your phone. Search for RY Tunnel VPN. Find the correct app and tap Install. Once installed, tap Open. Step 2. When the app launches, it may ask for notification permission. You can allow or deny it. Make sure your internet is on so the app can update its server list. Step 3. Tap the server section. Choose any location from the list. You can switch servers anytime. Step 4. Tap the Tweaks button. Select a built-in tweak that works best for your network. Or tap Custom Settings to use your own configuration like V2 RY, SSL, or slow DNS. Step 5. Go back to the home screen. Tap the big Start button. Wait a few seconds, the VPN will connect. Open the side menu. Tap Tethering. Enable the toggle to share VPN with other devices. That's it. RY Tunnel VPN is simple, fast, and secure. If this helped you, like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.